In this video, we will guide you through how to use AnterVue. To get started, you'll need your smartphone and the AnterVue imaging adapter. First, set your phone's screen brightness to maximum. Open your phone's camera. If there are multiple rear cameras, cover each lens one at a time. When the preview turns black or stops displaying normally, the covered lens is the main camera. Next, flip the AnterVue's yellow filter up. Clip AnterVue over the main camera, making sure the AnterVue lens is aligned with the center of the main lens. Check your camera settings and turn off macro mode for stable, consistent focus. Then set the illumination. Press the power button once for white light, twice to increase brightness, and a third time to switch to blue light. In blue light mode, flip the yellow filter down. Move the phone closer to the patient's eye. Set the camera zoom between 1 times and 2 times. Lightly supporting your hand against the patient's forehead helps keep the image steady during capture. Adjust the distance slightly until the image is clear and in focus. With your right hand, tap the screen to capture images or record video as needed. When AnterVue is charging, a blue indicator light means charging. A green indicator light means fully charged. You're now ready to use AnterVue in daily practice. Please scan the QR code for more details.